Looking for more than just another online course? At Truck Driver Nation, we don't just teach freight dispatching. We provide a guaranteed opportunity to put your training to work. Successfully complete the Truck Driver Nation Freight Dispatch Training Program. Meet all graduation and onboarding requirements, and you'll receive a guaranteed opportunity to work as an independent freight dispatcher within the Truck Driver Nation network. Most training programs leave you on your own after graduation. We don't. We are the only program that provides qualified graduates with a direct path to real dispatching opportunities through our own network. Once you're onboarded, many graduates are able to begin dispatching and earning income shortly thereafter. The opportunity is guaranteed. What you do with that opportunity is up to you. If you're ready to build a real career in the trucking industry, not just collect another certificate, your journey starts here. Don't wait. Enroll in the Truck Driver Nation Freight Dispatch Training Program today.